Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to submit a commercial FEFTS to the AgEnergy Platform. On the first page, you insert the FEFTS name, the organization of the user who registered the FEFTS, your email address, and the FEFTS type. In our case, it's a commercial technology. On the second page, you give the FEFTS a title. You indicate the native language of the producer. You indicate the native title, the native language title of the commercial FEFTS, the company name right here, the legal one, and the name which is displayed. Then you insert the address if it's available, the country of the company, the city of the company, also the number of the company's employees if it's somewhere available. And then at the end of this page, you give a short description of FEFTS. On the next page, you will make a tick at the box who will use this FEFTS. Right here, for our case, it's the farmers. The FEFTS technology is a hardware, and it's used for greenhouses. Then you can provide a list, or you have to provide a list of keywords in English and in the native language. You provide some relevant images of the FEFTS, also a link which leads to the images. You can also provide some audio-visual visual material here, and also provide the link here, and also additional, for example, PDF files. Then you insert the link of the official website of the FEFTS technology producer. You can also provide additional links, and you can provide here additional information and comments in English and in the native language. Here you insert the FEFTS application field. In our case, it's energy sales to external consumers, but there are also a couple of other things. You can only choose one here. Here you insert the type of energy sales to external consumers, which this FEFTS is related to. So in our case, it's electricity feed-in. The FEFTS type of our technology is clean energy production. So we have an energy production system. The energy source our FEFTS is using is solar energy. It is producing electricity. The final type of electricity is AC. And the energy used are photovoltaics. We are using in this FEFTS PV arrays. Now we are here at the general assessment of the FEFTS. You can totally disagree, you're neutral, agree, or totally agree. And go through a couple of questions now. Like here, conveys a relative advantage. I agree. The FEFTS can be tested without committing. Didn't find any information on that, so I stayed neutral. The FEFTS can be directly observed. I do agree, as it's already installed at a couple of places. The FEFTS has direct fossil energy reduction through, for example, the building's electricity consumption on where it's installed on. The FEFTS has also an indirect fossil energy use reduction through sales to energy markets, and thus replacing fossil-based energy on the markets. This FEFTS also contributes to decreasing greenhouse emissions. I totally agree. Then here's quick socioeconomic assessment. The FEFTS is cheaper than existing solutions. I did not find any information on that, so I stayed neutral. It has a direct impact on the income of the producer. It's true. The life expectancy of this FEFTS is adequate to depreciate these investments. I agree. The FEFTS increase local development, reducing energy dependency, which is also true, and I agreed. The FEFTS enforces the cooperative concept. I stayed neutral. The FEFTS reduces farmers' fatigue. I agree, as this is also some sort of innovation and might boost the farms' activities. The FEFTS improve the standard of living of the rural society. I agree, as it leads to additional income. The FEFTS promotes the adoption of implementation of EU policies and guidelines. I also agreed. That's also the last question. And finally, you can submit the FEFTS here. What is also important to mention is that all boxes with a red cross are mandatory. So please insert them. Otherwise, you cannot go on with submitting the FEFTS. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.